votu ebe a unu afụgo ndị ya atụ vootu ịfụ ụbọchị ise a na-achagịrị ịfụ ndị nọ n'ime ya ọ ndị a na-abịa Anambra na ịtụ vootu ya na-agụ ya ọnụ.
My country people, did you just see the boxes at the beginning of these videos? Those luxurious boxes filled with people and being accompanied by security men. They were actually spotted moving into Anambra State and being accompanied by security men. They were coming from other states, over 100 of them, filled with people and be accompanied by security men moving into Anambra State. Anyway guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In case it is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Ifeyiwa, and in this video I shall be discussing about the forthcoming Anambra gubernatorial election that will be holding on 6th November 2021 and the fake boxes that are being spotted moving into Anambra State. Please, if at the end of this video you find this video interesting, kindly like and share, and also remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and press the notification bell in order not to miss any of the videos that I'll be uploading. So back to the gist. We all know that Anambra gubernatorial election 2021 will be holding on Saturday, that is 6th November 2021, with a lot of activities going on into the state. There are actually high rates of tension in Anambra State as people are living in fear because of what is happening in Anambra State, from the activities of the unknown gunmen that have been going about killing people, destroying properties and all sorts of things, and having clashes with security personnel, to the over 40,000 military personnel being deployed into Anambra State ahead of the 2021 gubernatorial election in order to keep the state safe and keep it calm, to the IPOB sit-at-home order that will be starting on 5th November 2021 to 10th November 2021 if the federal government have refused to release their leader Nnamdi Kanu. The alleged rumor that has been going on that some set of people have said that that election will not hold in Anambra State. All these activities have been causing unnecessary tension in the state as people are actually living in fear. Nobody knows what is going to happen in the few hours before the Anambra 2021 gubernatorial election. And now, today, over 100 luxurious buses were actually spotted moving into Anambra State from other states and be accompanied by security men. The question is, why are these boxes moving into Anambra State? Are they fake, imported voters from other states ahead of the 6th November 2021 Anambra gubernatorial election, or they're just visitors? These are the questions that I would like you to answer. Who are these people? Who do you think these people are? Let me know your opinion in the comment section, because with the tension going on in the state, people are actually living in fear, with a lot of people saying that they're not going out to cast votes for fear of insecurity and fear of the unknown on what will happen. A lot of people are actually afraid because the way things are happening. I wonder if people will actually come out to cast their votes on Saturday, 6th November, even though that the security personnel, the police and the military have been assuring the citizens of Anambra State, the Anambra indigenes, that they are going to be security, that everywhere is going to be safe for them to go out and cast their vote. But even with that, people did not actually believe it because of what has been happening within the state. So these people that are coming into Anambra State, are they fake voters imported from other states ahead of Anambra 2021 gubernatorial election, or what? Let me know your opinion in the comment section, because this Anambra gubernatorial election is actually getting interesting and interesting. So does it mean if people are not actually coming to vote, that there is standby voters for others that will vote for them? Anyway, as the Anambra gubernatorial election is coming on 6th November, I encourage every Anambarian to be conscious of your movement. If you are in Anambra and within Anambra and her virus, please be conscious of your movement in Anambra State. While you go about to cast your vote, also take security precautions in order to stay safe. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly like and share, and also remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to enable the video perform better. See you next in our next video. Bye.